So guys, now we are back here on the Raw Blaze show, and of course, we are here where you guys have all been waiting on. You understand? All day we have the man himself, Mr. Negus. He needs no introduction. I'm gonna allow him to introduce himself. We have Mr. Negus Imara here right now on the Raw Blaze show and streaming her radio. Negus, what go on? Tell people what go on now.
Yo, big up Raúl, big up. At least Raúl get my name right. My name is Negus Imara, not Negus Imara. You understand what I'm saying? So all the people that keep on calling me Imara, it's Imara, you see me? So yeah, man, give thanks. My name is Negus Imara. I've been doing Jamaican comedy for a few years now. Other things in the background, but yeah, that's the main focus right now is just to push out content, creative content to everybody right now.
Yeah.
And I'm not just. I realized something that I have the what you call it now, the push for it go over in a different market. The market I want to attack now is the American market right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
But how long you been doing? How long you been doing content creation? Because I remember the first time I saw your videos. I was back in maybe 2000 and I would say 18 or 17. So how long you been doing content on social media?
I've been doing it from about, I would say about 2017, the ending of 2017. I think it was 2018. The first video I actually did was, you remember that Drake song, the Kiki?
Yes.
Do you love me?
That was what I saw.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that one, that was our first video.
Oh, for real?
First video. Cause one of my friends say, yo, bro, you need to make video. And I'm like, yo, brother, I'm not do the car. We never have the confidence at the time, is it me?
Yes.
I'm like, people on the internet rootless, bro.
Yes.
For real. So I go some now, I say, yo, all right then. Everybody else say, yo, make video. So I say, all right then, boom. And it have a nice little reception.
Yes.
So I say, all right then, if the people them like this, we have more things even better than this. So after that, we keep putting out videos, and then come the Bunty's Diaries, and then the Mr. Chins, you see me?
Yeah. We're gonna get to that, but more know say you want them you who your bridge them always know say your jokes are from long time.
Yeah.
You want them you who from school, your joke.
Oh yeah, suspended all of them somewhere. Detention, demerit. Yeah, I would just never go.
Which part of yard you come from?
So my born at East, Belmont Road.
Okay.
You see me, and then I move to Portmore when I about 10.
Okay.
I'm gonna spend the rest of my life at Portmore until my father up so.
Okay.
You see me? So yeah. So I claim Portmore still. I can't claim East because I'm only spending such a small time, but around so I grew up as a child, but Portmore really get my teenage days when I really move around and do certain things. You see me? So I say Portmore.
Yes. What are some of the schools you went to when you were in Jamaica?
All right, so primary school, I went to the most famous St. Richard's Primary.
Oh, you're going to St. Richard's, okay.
Yes. And then high school. High school was the last of my education.
Yeah.
I migrate up so. No, I lie. Me got art. Me got art.
Portmore art?
I wish part I want no, not Portmore art. What I want to do there? I think I want to do that Kingston,
Oh, for real?
Yeah. And then I never finished because my thing did start out, somebody else come up straight. You see me?
Yeah.
So yeah, after St. Rich, I got George's High School.
Yes.
And then I got art after that.
Okay.
And then I left art and come up here.
Why did you do art? What kind of program?
AC and refrigeration.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. And if I did finish it, I would be a rich man right now.
Okay. Yeah, for real. But enough money that not
a lot of money, especially in states like Florida, Texas, state them are hot.
Yeah.
People them need them AC.
So you never finish it?
And I didn't finish it.
Okay.
Start tell joke instead.
And that easy out of a tell joke and for do AC, which one easy?
Tell joke. You see me? Yeah. Because we don't already learn that. You see me? AC thing. But they like it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I like it. But then, you know what I mean? When you grow up poor and them something, they just want to left your situation instantly, bro.
Yes.
So when time I go somewhere now and everyththing sort out, I dip immediately because sufferation enough for me, brother. I like it.
Yeah. So what state you when you came here? What state you went to?
Atlanta.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And still Atlanta.
Okay. You know me. I think a lot of people. Do people think you live in Florida? You ever get that before?
Oh, yes.
Because you have a Florida vibe. Even before I thought you were here in Florida.
Yeah. A lot of people do. A lot of people do. Especially like no winter. You know what too? At Florida, I get the most eyes, you know.
Oh, for real?
Nobody don't like me at Atlanta.
Oh, for
real?
real?
When you move, come there, so. Anywhere I go at Florida, at least one person a day. Who that Negus? I got Dana's one day. I go buy Dutch pot. I got Dutch pot today. I go buy some food. Yo, Negus. Yo, dog, go up to your page. I want to slap on page in around.
Oh God, we got to talk about that. We got to talk about that.
So it's like every time I come up here, people them receive me well, bro. I like Florida. Florida love people. That's what I'm saying. I don't know
Yes.
if it's the same for the people who actually live here or because I'm in and out.
Yes.
I don't know if my effect is different. Is
Yeah.
it? But Florida, I'm gonna get the most love of Florida.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
yeah.
So I want you grew up poor, right? You
Yeah.
believe you see people who grew up with less. You think that people are like us are more pushed towards. We have a more drive towards success. Do you find that in your case?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, I've seen poor people who it start right there, the mind. If you consider yourself defeated, you will never get out of your situation. Because this right there, so it near me up. Me never gonna make poverty near me up, brother. I feel like, you know what I mean? Because and it's not like a bad mind thing, but it's an inspirational thing. When I see people with them things,
Yes.
I want that too.
Yes.
And it's not a
It's
bad
called ambition.
Exactly.
It's called ambition.
So when time poor life a bit, I'm telling you, brother, like neighbor for give you lunch more time, you know. My mother, you know, give you dinner more time. You see me? Yeah, I them setting there. You understand? So we give thanks to power there right now. Zane, so yeah, man. When you're poor and you're ambitious,
yes,
the opportunities are endless.
Yeah, nothing can stop you.
Because everything you see that can change your life, even in the smallest way, you're going to take it on.
For real.
You're going to take it on. Ambition is what changed people's life.
For real. Guys, if you just join us, we're here with Negus on the Raúl Blaze show. You know, we just start, but you know, it's going to be a wonderful conversation because, you know, it takes a certain type of creativity and certain type of inspiration to bring forth some of the videos them see you produce. But I want to get some more into like how you grew up and thing afterwards. Yeah. And then more on talk about your page, you get hack and thing. But we know you see people don't know it. Social media thing enough here to combine them and people don't realize how much hate you get. But I want you guys to stay tuned because we're gonna take a quick break in a second and get more about into Negus childhood plans him have, you know, because the man do music and thing, you know. We talk about taking over entertainer these days. You have to do everything. You have to do music. You have to do everything. So we plan to get into all that because he's gonna be here for the next 45 minutes, right? You're gonna stay for the entire time, right?
Yeah, man, we're there, man.
We're there. So make sure to call in. We're gonna ask questions and things. So stay tuned. We're gonna go across this break right now. Gonna make some money and come back. So stay tuned to the Raúl Blaze show with our star Negus. Yes, sir. all right. Find the break. Get it. All right, guys. Welcome back to the Raúl Blaze show. Let me make sure say, you can hear Negus now. So we are here with Negus Imara. You understand? It's not Imara. What your name, Negus?
It's Negus Imara. You understand? Negus is a title in Ethiopia. You understand? Ruler, king, emperor. You understand?
Yes.
And then now, Imara is Swahili for strong and resolute. You see me?
Okay.
So yeah, me that tried Rastafari for a good 7 years. So that's where it come from. Yeah.
For real, cause you know some people. So your name isn't a random name.
No.
Okay.
It's something that I specifically choose because them time I'm there in a blackness heavy. You see me? Rastafari and Africa and rare. You see me? I'm still a pre that, but I just the ear gone. You see me?
So did you choose that name since you started doing vlogging, or you had that name before?
I had it before I did all of this.
Okay.
Yeah. As I said, I used to try Rastafari for a good 7 years.
Okay.
And then that's where the name come from. And just like I'm run from Christianity because of rules, I run from Rastafari because of rules too. You know what I mean? It was a good 7 years. I learned a lot. But I don't want no confinements. I feel like I'm too free for all of that.
Yes.
So every phase of my life, I really delve in it like hard. I'm going at it.
Okay.
Because it was a stage of my life I'm still figure out myself. You see me?
Yes.
So every little way I feel, I just dibble in it and get what I need to get and then do my thing. You see me? Yeah.
So on that matter, what is the importance of growth for you? If you experience, how important is it to learn from an experience and use it to build yourself? How important is that?
Well, if you're not learning, you're gonna die. You understand?
For real.
Yeah. If you don't learn, you're gonna die. And the die, it don't necessarily mean going in the ground, but everything around you die. Your ambition die, your drive die, everything will die. You see me? Growth is very important because point A to point B is a must. So in order for me to move from point A, there must be something that I learn how to maneuver myself to point B. You see what I say? So if I was still at point A, not growing, not learning, I would still be stagnant.
For real.
So growth is very important for, to navigate yourself to higher heights. And for the people don't be afraid to try different things.
Yeah.
Don't.
Yes.
That's what's going to put you apart from people. Different thing, different experience.
Yeah.
Going around different people, experiencing different cultures.
Yeah.
That right there, so it really, and leaving Jamaica was the biggest thing for me, bro. I'm not bashing my country, but you get a broader perspective.
Yes.
The world is bigger than Jamaica.
Yes, the world, and you realize whenever people leave Jamaica, they get to understand the world. Like for me, when I lived, hold on, somebody say, enjoying the show from Trinidad. Big up yourself, Negus. Speaking facts from Trinidad.
Big up Trinidad. Big up Trinidad.
Yes, yeah, man. Whenever. And you learn your lessons from Jamaica and you bring them here. You understand? And you learn your lessons from your first. What were some of the first lessons you learned, say, in the first year of vlogging? What were some of the things that you learned in the initial phase of doing your videos? What you realized? Was it what you expected? You understand?
One of the main things I learned is that no matter how cool you and somebody are, they are competing against you.
Wow, for real. And you think. Do you think are all competitions bad competitions, you believe?
No, but some people don't know how to just compete and let it be. Yeah. You see me?
Yes.
And I'm gonna say that, at first it did break my heart because there's some of them people I'm gonna look up to.
Yes.
You see me? Until I'm breaking on my own thing now and people start to see the talent. And I'm like, okay, the people them start to see the talent, they're saying I'm more talented than you.
Yes.
You know what I mean? You know what I mean? That's my get back right there.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
But yeah, it's a lot of these people are not real, bro.
Yeah.
That's why I'm stay by myself, bro.
And do you believe that the attention that people get from social media, it changes them? It changes some people. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, definitely. I can say it definitely changed me.
Okay. I was gonna ask that.
I've become more harsh in my words. I become way more harsh. I tell people whatever the hell I feel like. Some of them don't deserve it, but it's like it bleed over upon them. You see me?
Yes.
I apologize if I'm wrong.
Yes.
You see me? Like if somebody I go off on somebody that don't deserve it, I'll apologize.
Yes.
But it's like when you're getting like hundreds of hate comments, it's like I gotta tell these people how I feel like. You see me?
Yeah.
So I became a lot more harsh, which is it's not good, but.
And sometimes it's good. Sometimes people need, because we realize, apart from telling people things who didn't deserve it, you realize the more you speak your mind, the truer you see your real fans. Because if people are upset with you for saying something that is true, you can't say they were your fans in the original place.
That's true.
So what are some of the most what are some of your most controversial videos you've done, and have you ever been, has anyone reached out to you based on your impersonation of them before, or?
No, but a mutual friend of mine, I don't know how true this story is, but Elephant Man, I'm a G.
Yes.
So Elephant Man, please, if you're listening, my G, you're my G. But apparently him tell somebody who know me, so them are the reason why I'm still there.
Oh, wow. So does he watch your videos?
But I think so. The dog blocked me. The dog blocked me from the first video.
Okay,
that was 2018.
Me do want if that block still about. Me do want answer.
But no, that new account there.
Yes.
Yeah, we can see your page now. Ellie, I see your page, my G.
Yes, I'm big up Ellie, no man. Big up Ellie, cause guess what?
I'm big up Ellie.
Yeah. No matter what people say about dancehall, you see between 2000 to 2005, when you said dancing,
yes,
when it's about dancing and people, if you go and dance a foreign now, no matter which part, you see once I see enough. Listen to me, man. I'm gonna say mash up in a man.
Yes, dance we are dance and keeping it chicken.
Yo, me there the Philippines and him song come on and me see dance for them. I say what? So big up Elephant Man, you understand?
Yeah.
You're a real ambassador, a real legend. You
real I tell people they trying to say he's not a legend. Elephant Man is a legend.
How can someone say Elephant Man is not a legend?
Elephant Man is a legend, Raúl.
Elephant Man is how do you define? That's a legend right there. If you name it top, if you tell some of it, if somebody outside Jamaica tell them for list top 10 dance song, 6 of them are gonna be Elephant Man.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Big up Ellie.
Okay, so do you still do Elephant Man impersonations?
I'm gonna tell you something. I will forever do Elephant Man voice. Elephant Man, I'm going to copyright this voice. It's mine now. You remember the movie there with my boy there with when them captain something and the man say it's like I say it's my boat now.
Yes.
Elephant Man, it's my voice now.
Yes.
It's my voice.
Yes, the one with the Somali.
Yes,
Somali. Okay.
And the man say it's my ship now.
Okay.
Elephant Man, it's my voice now.
Okay.
Shiver, shine arena, jitter, shelba, welbo, leg up on my elbow.
what about the Bunty series?
Youth. Youth. How you ask me about youth? Yo, let me tell you something, you see. The man them slap on my page, so you see January youth, them youth ain't a trouble. All the classics are coming back, youth. Bunty's Diary.
Yes.
His number one. Yo, Bunty's Diary, that really kind of put me up on the levels in a brother. Bunty's Diary.
Okay.
No lie.
Okay. You always been doing impersonations. I know you say in college, in school and growing up. Your friends always laugh at your joke, but you always been doing impersonations, or that's a recent addition to your art. Yes,
I've always. Well, I started doing it when I listened to Twins of Twins. Twins of Twins really met me. As me start the voices and everything, because I listen to it like every day. Yes, Elephant Man voice was the first one, my perfect.
Yes.
Oh. So when time I start to the Elephant Man voice, now I'm going to go say, say after the Kiki video, what else I can do? Bunty's Diary, Mr. Chin, and then Elephant Man.
Yeah, Mr. Chin down the fire, brother.
Wait,
That Mr. Chin, that was earlier on in your. You did that. That was 2018. You do Mr. Yes.
So all of them classic they are come back in January.
Yes, we can't wait.
January. Still have the costume and everything.
Let me tell you how I know Negus is really good, because I was brave enough to step into the Uptown with my Jackie the Freddy's character earlier.
Yeah.
And then you do the Rebecca, right? You do,
yeah. Oh, for the people who don't know, I see Raúl. Raúl is an inspiration for the Uptown series. I'll tell people that right now.
Yeah, I know, but whenever we realize, I'm telling you how I know you're good. I'm rated for that, because every time I do a video, say the past year or so, or 6 months, and do the voice there, you see comment Rebecca. That's Rebecca's voice, and it's funny because it is so spot on.
Yeah,
it's spot on. So what was apart from me? What was your inspiration for the Uptown Diaries? Because that is funny.
Well, as a poor youth grew up, we used to go Georges. I'm say all of my friend them was Uptown. You see me?
Yeah.
We used to go Morelands Camp, summertime.
Okay.
All of them are Uptown people. So a majority of my friend them was Uptown, even though me downtown.
Yes.
Broke. All of my friend them rich up them things. You understand?
Yes.
So I always found it funny from Jamaica. But find them for all them talk. Adrian, and so it's like from them, from them time I must stay some man. I'm used to make fun of them and them something there, and it's like I saw this video on TikTok of this girl cussing Jamaican bad word, and I laughed.
Yes.
And I made that first video. And I'm like, Jamaica, up to people want to talk, so. Yes. Ashley,
yes.
Rebecca, come now. It's dinner time. Come to the table. You're not eating in your room,
And you know what? The Uptown people, when they react to your videos, because they find it, you're very big, because they find it very funny too. And it's my journey was similar with that, because I worked at, I'm gonna say it now on here. I taught Spanish at Wilma's Boys, right?
Okay.
And I met many parents like that. So that's how I learned it. But Jamaicans would be surprised. Regular Jamaicans like you and I would be surprised that this world is a different world,
Oh yes.
We're not bashing that. The diversity of Jamaica is good, but it's a different world completely. It's a different world, because the conversations are different.
Yes.
The opportunities are different there.
Yes.
And I found it very funny that that it's kind of a bubble.
Yeah.
Kind of a bubble. Okay, yeah. So that you're gonna bring back that too? You're gonna bring back
yes,
okay.
yes. Everything that worked.
Yes.
Because one thing with me, and people see it too, I try a lot of things.
Yes.
So whatever works, whatever got the most views, the most likes,
yes,
it's telling you that it's working.
Okay.
So we have to bring back all of them things.
Okay, yes, guys. So if you're just joining, guys, we're here with Negus Imara on the Raúl Blaze show. We're talking about everything from inspiration to his popular hits, and we're gonna go back and we're gonna talk about more of his videos after this, but we're gonna talk about being hacked and and people trying to work against you in the industry and how you move on from that. All right, guys, so stay tuned to the Raúl Blaze show. We'll be back after this break. Negus, say something for them.
Yo, I'm gonna tell you this. On the thick and stay, don't go nowhere.
All right, guys, big up. Welcome back to the Raúl Blaze show. I realized I didn't big up to the YouTube people. I see you understand? Big up to YouTube, big up to Spotify, big up to Instagram, big up to everything. Yo, niggas, big up the people for me now.
Big up on yourself.
Wherever I watch from. Mm-hmm.
Wherever I watch from, big up YouTube, big up the IG right now, and big up streaming upgrades in.
Yes, sir.
You gotta make sure it's on the download the app. You understand? Going on a Google Play, on an App Store.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and you can check us out on YouTube. The visual is gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah. Yeah, and guys, hold on it. Guys, I want to make sure that you guys no, we are glad that you guys are here watching and participating. I see you guys on the app right here. Big up to all the people from sorry, I didn't UK, what is France, Jamaica, St. Lucia, of course. Big up St. Lucia.
Big up St. Lucia.
I wish flag this as a Grenada. Grenada, all right. And big up Yard, of course. So guys, we're here with Negus, and we want to make sure that we got all the questions, because you know we're doing a profile one, the people know everything. So Negus, let's talk about your new page.
Yes.
Your new page. What happened with your original page?
So well, you know, me being the type of person that I am, I don't really care about a lot of things, you know. But it don't mean that I should not follow these people rules, you know. It's their app, but not following the rules got me where I am, you know. It's nobody's fault but my own. Accountability is the most important thing.
Yes,
you know.
Yes.
So yeah, so over the the 4 years I use Instagram, I violated the terms and conditions, you know.
Okay.
I always got the notification, yo, your page might be deleted, blah, blah, blah.
Mm-hmm.
But I've been on a good path
since,
the one before the last straw.
Okay.
But I had a promotion for somebody. They had like, what do you call it? An adult toy store business.
Okay.
So I was advertising one of the pocket front them, you see me? Yeah. So on Instagram never, I'm say, come here.
Okay.
And the slap. I sign into Instagram lockdown. I go back in it lockdown again. So the third time I go in, your page has been deactivated. I'm like,
yes. How many? Were you like 80 something?
70.
70.
Yeah,
why? Yeah. And people don't realize it take a lot of work in them. But thus far, you reach about 12 now or so.
Yeah.
And that is a true testament to to your fan base and how good you are.
Yeah.
When someone did that. I want to talk about your music.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yes. What about where does your music inspiration come from?
So all right. So I have a older brother that him love music. You see me? So them time the CD are on hot. MP3 CD. You can have about 150 songs per one CD. You see me? Remember that? Yeah, remember CD and the MP3 CD start burn. they can have about 150 songs per one CD. You see
I like them the word CD.
You see me?
Okay.
So from them time I listen to them songs, the Scare Them Crew and hip hop, old school hip hop, Tupac them and the Biggie them. So from them time I listen to music right through.
Yes.
Then my sister now she have a different taste in her music. You see me? She more Americanized, so she listen to the Enrique Iglesias them, the Backstreet Boys and the NSYNC them. And so my music come from all over. You see me? And that's reggae me I listen to from them time. So you see me? So
eclectic.
Yeah. So as I say, like if I like something, I go dive in it 100%. And we used to have one thing at school named Stink. You know Sting? Where you're DJ.
Yes.
But we do it in a bathroom. So we call it Stink.
And
knock water and something. So we used to DJ at lunchtime in the bathroom.
Yes.
Stink bathroom, Think. But that's how we're there. Because the teacher them now come in there.
Yes.
So we stay with my DJ, and from them time the music thing kind of developing to what it is right now. So from high school, them time. No, I'm lying. Primary school. I didn't write. We used to play the drum in a Monday morning devotion. So from them time, like music, kind of, you know what I mean? Get rounded and learn to play certain instruments and rare. I just a drum still.
Okay. What does music do to you? What does music do to you in terms of mentally? What does music do for you?
Well, depending on the music at the time, depends. I listen to music based on how I feel. You see me? If me in a loving mood, you don't know I drive for some Sade.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Sade get some goosebumps.
God, man, some Celine Dion.
Ooh, it was good talk. You see me?
Yes.
You see me? And you know, when you're pumped up and you're energized, you listen to some nice music.
Yes.
Music for me, bro, it saved me a lot.
Yes.
Music is when I can't talk to nobody.
Yes.
You see me? Like I have specific playlists that'll calm me down.
Okay.
You see me? So music is very powerful, and a lot of people like to debate with me that music don't contribute to crime, but if music can make me feel good, music can make you feel bad too.
Exactly.
You understand?
Exactly.
So yeah, man, So when I'm in a certain mood, I try not to listen to certain music.
Okay.
It pump you up.
Yes. Music motivates you, because if the fact that people listen music to do certain things, it means that music can influence people.
Yeah.
And okay, so so you're drawing inspiration from all of these music.
Everything.
Okay.
Everything.
Okay. Your when did you film that music video you did?
I filmed it like I'll say 3 months ago.
Okay.
Yeah, 3 months ago.
Okay.
Mhm.
What was the name of the track again? I forgot.
Short N-word, Big Walker.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Short N-word, Big Walker.
Okay. What the reception you get? Were people surprised to know that you also had musical talent along with comedic talent?
Some people, but the people that who know me from a all the time, they must say a long time I should have done this youth.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
for real.
But
for real.
Jamaica never mess with it.
Okay.
Yeah. Jamaica never mess with it. Right now, I'm gonna do a social experiment. I tell my cousin, I tell him, say, yo, I'm gonna do a gun song.
Hold on. Yeah,
And it's just for social experiment purposes.
Yes.
I'm in a gunman.
Yes, but for still the reaction.
But I gotta do it.
For the reaction.
Yes. You see me? It's just sad to say, but I gotta prove a point.
What and you mentioned earlier, but what do you say to people who say, because I'm a person who I believe that the song that you do, a country like Jamaica, that is, I think we reached the 1,000 mark today, or in terms of murder, in terms of crime and violence. A country like Jamaica who bleeds, we reach a mark today.
Damn.
Right? A country like Jamaica that the Jamaican ground literally have bleed blood. What do you say for people who say music now have nothing to do with it? Of course, lack of opportunities,
yes.
and political and thing. But what do you say to people who say why music now have nothing to do with it? What do you say to those people?
I would say not because music don't affect you to go do something negative, it doesn't mean it doesn't happen to other people. You understand what I say?
Okay.
Like, as I said, if I'm feeling some type of way, I don't listen to certain music.
Okay.
Like, I used to get dark one time, and used to listen to Eminem when I get dark. And Eminem is very dark. You understand? And it put me in an even darker place.
Okay.
So when I start feeling like down,
I
go to reggae instead of going to Eminem and the DMX and the Tupac them, because them people that them evoke emotion.
Yes.
Like them are my 3 top favorite.
Yes.
But I can't listen to them when I'm in a certain mood. I can't.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get dark.
Okay.
So to the people them where I say music don't contribute to crime, stop being biased.
Yeah.
Your favorite artist is contributing to crime, and that is where it's at.
Yes.
If music, look what Bob Marley did, okay?
Good.
Bob Marley music changed the world, or changed the people in the world for the positive. Why you don't think gun lyrics will change someone to do negative things?
Okay.
So you're telling me it only can do positive things but not negative. You're biased, bro.
Wow.
Vybz Kartel, I'm an artist, but when I listen to Vybz Kartel, and you know what I mean, I'm a Peter Tam one bust somebody head, brother. You understand what I'm saying?
For real.
Yeah.
We experiences. Our experiences. Okay.
And I'm old enough to tell you the truth, because I would never say this when I was younger.
Yes.
I defend my artist.
Yes. Portman for sure. You understand?
Yeah, straight up.
Yes. So what you say? You're right. You write music. Did you used to write? You put words down. Did you write poetry when you were young? Like how you feel? Did you express your emotions on paper?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I definitely wrote poetry. Not a lot, but I've written poetry before. Just because when you feel like you don't have somebody to talk to, you got to talk to yourself.
For real.
You know, I talk to myself physically. I talk to myself on paper. You understand? I talk to myself right here.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So yeah, I used to write poetry in a high school, first farm, second farm.
Okay.
And then we grow to that character foolishness that.
Yeah. Okay.
But it's like majority of the people that do music start out with poetry.
And even some people, their music, them poetry, them turn into music. Them basically people say music is poetry with song. Yeah. People say songs are poetry with music.
Yes.
You understand? So type of vibe. So you plan to explore music for, you say you have any immediate plans to explore music?
Yes. Well, actually, I'm working on an EP right now.
Okay.
I call it Imara Grung. You see me? Like,
Okay.
you know, strong ground, you know.
Okay.
I'm still thinking about the name.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm working on an EP, 6 tracks.
Okay.
2 of them I'm gonna be singing, 2 of them mega DJ, 2 of them mega rap.
Nice.
Nice. Just with the people, you know, different variety.
Nice. Because people a lot of when people listen to EPs or album, people, there are different people who have different needs can find them on those.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And of course, whenever you're done, please, give them a streaming hub radio. We can play them and then you can come back and tell about them. You understand?
Yeah.
You can come back and tell about them. Okay, that good. So what is your next step in terms of creativity wise, in terms of vlogging? You have anything or drop on soon? Any video where you work on right now?
Yes, I am currently working. Well, I shot it, I wrote it, I shot it, and I didn't like how it came out, so I scrapped it. It was a 5th episode. Well, I'm at 4 episodes with the Uptown series, but I'm gonna scrap that and just go straight to season 2. Give it like a rebranding thing, isn't it? Different effects, all of them things. That's up. I shot episode 1 for season 2. I didn't like how it come out, so I'm gonna scrap it. So that's definitely what I'm working on right now, and I'm gonna move it from like 12-15 minutes to like 20 minutes.
Oh, nice, because it's a longer time on on YouTube. So do you film in Atlanta, right?
Yes.
Okay.
At my house.
Okay.
With my phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
you have other people. You have like actors or so who jump in and so in Atlanta area.
Well, when I just started, we used to work with Jay Frey.
Okay.
Is it me? And then because my work, the work that I used to do, I used to travel all over the world and install security system. Is it me?
Yes.
So we did start a podcast. Me and him did start a podcast. So because me in and out of Atlanta so much, like me have to just call it quits, bro.
Okay.
Is it me? But yeah, Jay Frey was the only person me work with in Atlanta like that.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
All right. So, but whenever, so how long will you be here in Florida?
I'm gonna be here for. I'll see, because I got 2 wasted days so far. So I'll probably say till about mid next week.
Okay. So you're gonna be around. So guys, if you might come across I know a lot of people. You have a lot of fans here. Okay, big up here, Miami. Big up from Miami. Yes, big up from Miami. Big up from Atlanta. Big up from Miami. Big up from
big up.
Yeah. So guys, if you're in South Florida area, you might just come across Negus, and guess what? Just don't be afraid. When you see us, guys, don't be afraid to say hello, because we're not gonna really,
Yeah. All that pretty girl, them, don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid. All right, guys. So for all the pretty girls, we're gonna come back after this break. You understand?
Yes.
And to continue with Negus and the Raúl Blaze Show. All right? Yes. All right, guys, you're back here on the Raúl Blaze Show with Negusimara, guys. Let me remind you of the numbers to call. It's 954-289-8589, 954-289-8589, extension 203. You can also call us at 754-200-5085, 754-200-5085, extension 203. Don't worry, Miss, remember the number, them people. WhatsApp, +1 954 621 3660. +1 954 621 3660. Whenever we have guests on them, like calling them, just sit down and listen to. Listen. But guys, big up on yourself. Streaming Hub, chat room, Spotify, YouTube. You're still there. Instagram, on there same way, and everywhere you are, guys. We're glad to have Mr. Negus here. Sharing his story with us.
Yes.
Negus. So you said you're gonna have what may I say about that last time? Yeah, but so you're gonna have any new characters? Are you thinking about? You're gonna stick with what works, but is there any new character you're thinking about you want to introduce to the people?
Blue punch bottle, little love stitch.
Oh, yo, wanna hear that?
Me the perfect that one day, doesn't it?
You sound just like so how. Mickey, I haven't asked you how you do it, because that would be a silly question. But
yeah.
Do you? Are there other impersonations you've done before that you haven't shared with us, with people on social media? Is there any?
I can do a little bit of Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Okay.
Lilo and Stitch.
Okay.
Who else? I'm still trying to learn that the Daffy Duck.
Okay.
Is it Donald Duck?
Donald.
Donald. I try develop the one that Twitch Palmer can talk effortlessly.
Yes.
Is it? But okay,
that's it.
Yeah, that's about it.
That's all. So tell us about the grills. Tell us about the grills that are going.
Oh, the grills.
Yeah, the man flying them. The man in an army fatigue and a grill.
Yeah. Well, I've been in Atlanta for over 12 years. And I've been around a lot of Yankee. So you gotta dress like the Yankee to get the Yankee girls. You understand what I say?
Yes,
so it's like a 2-in-1. Anytime when you dress nice, the girl them look by and will really solidify it. Or when they start talking, them say, "Ooh, where you from?"
Yes.
So you have to look nice You have to talk original. You have to don't twang. You have to talk original. You understand what I say? So we just have a little Yankee flavor with the yard flavor.
I was gonna ask you what do Atlanta girls think about your accent, your Jamaican accent?
They love it. Yeah, they love it.
Okay.
Yeah. Cause you gotta remember, we are seen as exotic.
Yes.
We don't come from here. We're new.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's what I mean. Like whenever Jamaicans, whenever we reach a foreign now, we believe so we can. I tell people we can speak as a language teacher. You can't speak English with your Jamaican accent, and people are like, you know, have a twang.
No,
I find twanging so when they're yard and twang, it's funny because you twang, but when they're like we are speaking English right now, but people understand us. You know, man, we're here talk. No, I love when I talk my language and people find it attractive.
Yeah,
you understand? Okay.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I just straight up twang when it comes to certain people because I'm tired for your What did it say?
Yes,
talk slower. So I was like, ma'am, what I'm trying to say to you is that XYZ. You understand what I'm saying?
yeah. Okay. Well, what are some of the what are some of the other cities you get loving apart from say Florida State, Florida,
New York.
New York.
Brother,
up there. I feel like I live in New York, but I'm be a celeb.
Yo, yes. New York. So it's New York. But I barely get no love in Atlanta, bro. I don't know why I'm still living there. Okay. Look better that I'm still there.
Yes.
But New York and Florida.
Okay.
Are the two big states.
The same thing for me, though.
Yeah. And then country-wise now, USA, Jamaica, UK, Canada, and Trinidad.
Yes, that my demo. That exactly my demo in that order.
So I have to big up all of them.
Yeah, man, big up everybody. Do you plan on making appearances at any of these places? You plan to do like a show, like a one-man type of show?
I'm so happy that you said that because I wanted to literally chop it up with you because I've seen that you did a show already.
Yeah.
I'm trying to do a show right now.
Okay.
Don't get the yes from Trabas.
Okay.
You see me? So Trabas is on board.
Okay.
You see me? So I was also gonna talk to you.
Okay.
Gallus and World Dog.
Oh, that's
because I want to do a show and I want to do it here because doing it here, this is where like most of the Jamaican them there. If I'm not yes, I know you, but I I'm want to do it first.
Yes.
And then now I know it's gonna be successful. And then now I take it to other states. Everybody get a piece of the pie, everybody get some steak or whatever. You see what I say?
Okay.
Just should be more enticing. You know, just get a payout. You're gonna literally have stake in this business.
Yes.
Because what I realize is, well, I don't realize we don't know it's encouragement sweeten labor.
Yes.
You see me? Yes. So if it's a one payout thing, you know, it would have been more enticing if you want to take it on the road now.
For real.
If you have stake in it.
For real. And that matter, how important do you think is that? Because you see, as Caribbean, as Jamaican creatives, the entire world, everything cool. First of all, everything cool in the world come from Black American, you know, our brothers and sisters them, but if people think they are cool, they think we are the coolest of the cool. How important do you think is for us Jamaican creative to collaborate and make a name for ourselves? Because it seems as if everybody else is using the Jamaican brand apart from us. How important is collaboration in bringing Jamaican name to the forefront of media? Mm-hmm.
When I look at American content creators like King Batch and how him have a team of like probably 10 people, and every video where him do you see them in it, even if them don't speak, you see them in the background.
Yeah.
And what he's doing is he's spreading the wealth around to everybody. Jamaicans, we don't do that. Everybody got them own. Everybody want to do them own thing.
Yes.
You know.
Hold on, hold on. Somebody calling. Hold on. Hello. Hey, who's caller? Who is this?
On Instagram, Jamaican. Big fan of Raúl and Negus.
Big up yourself, Driller.
A Jamaican Driller? Oh, this Driller?
Driller, man. Big up yourself, Driller.
Hold on there. You're on ear. Where you talking about, man? What go on Jamaican Driller?
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man. I enjoy most of the content.
Listen, man, Jamaican, I have to say this, right? You know, me tell people all the while, say, you see that youth, yeah? When it comes to support,
yes,
this is one person you can depend. If you go live,
yes,
if you do anything, he's going to make sure he support.
Yes, big up Driller.
It's the same thing for you too.
I see Driller on all my brother. I see Driller on TikTok. I see Driller on Insta and YouTube. Driller, big up yourself, Driller. You're really youth.
Yes.
Yeah, big up yourself on me, General.
Where you base? You still up on a base now? Base.
No, so when I there Texas no more, Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Oh,
okay.
Hawaii.
Texas, Hawaii, you know. Just home for Christmas, celebrate with my family and things. You know, tell them say, I'm not busy, never call, call in and, check in and give some support,
For real. Hey, Drill, I must respect that, bro. I'm respect that. I'm respect you, bad bro, for real.
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
You say your family are Hawaii?
No. My family are New Jersey.
Oh, Jersey.
Yeah.
Jersey. Okay, cool. Brother, may I tell us every time if me have a live or if me have a video on YouTube or if me there here on the show, one person me can depend on you. So big up yourself, you understand?
Big up,
people like you, supporters like you are very, very necessary and very important. You understand?
Facts.
You understand?
Yeah.
You have any question for either of us?
No, not really. Just a watch and I enjoy.
Okay. So you just show your support.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself.
All right, then. Big up yourself here, brother.
All right, man. Big up, man.
Yeah, man. Thanks for the call. Up there. Yeah, man. You see it? All right. Yeah, man. Yes. How cool was that?
If we had all our following like that young gentleman right there,
brother,
we would be on a different heights.
Yeah, with literal different heights. Yes.
You see, because let me tell you this, Driller isn't insecure. You understand? A lot of these people don't want to see you do good because they feel like them doing good, you're going to surpass them in whatever.
Yes.
A lot of us don't want that. You see me?
Yes.
So when you see people support like that,
yes,
you gotta show love.
For real.
You gotta show love. Like what I start doing now, like a lot of the people who supported me from then,
yes,
but I never follow them, start follow them on the page I know.
Yes.
Because them come back. So it show me, I'm gonna say, yo,
loyalty.
You can't just have them people that follow them back, bro. So I follow them one. Yeah. So Driller, I forgot follow Driller. I forgot follow Driller too.
Yeah. Big up Driller. And there are many big up Driller. Yes, people realize one thing I want to tell you. We appreciate all of you who watch and share all of our videos. But see, when you take the next step and it's a loyalty, if we come out with something, if we can show us, if we support, we would really appreciate that also, because people think, say, boy, you make money just by being on Instagram. No, Instagram not pay no money just because they're on Instagram.
No, this is most money I ever make by Instagram right now. Right now, the people that buy some badge
Okay.
Right now, the most money.
I make some money too.
I'm not worried about when we lose my Instagram. I'm like, damn, like the only thing I worry about, like some of the people who used to follow me, like certain links. But otherwise from that, I don't care because I never made no money from Instagram.
Right?
No, if I lose YouTube, no.
Yes.
I feel like doodoo.
Yes. Cause YouTube, I said that. Yes. Guys, man. Big up to everybody who came out and supported this episode and who will support episode. We are very glad that we had Negus here. Negus, you have to be back, and because we have to support each other in creativity. Yeah. Because only support can get us there. We have a minute and 45 seconds. I may just give you the floor. If it's just anything you want to say and tell people if just take the floor for last minute, for just tell people what go on, yeah, man.
All right. Yo, if you're shy, grow out of that instantly. If you're shy, grow out of that. You need to go into whatever you want to do. Make sure that you're happy. Anything that you want to do it. Gain the confidence to attack anything. Don't listen to naysayers. They are not confident to do what you want to do. So they're going to let you know that you should not be confident to do that. Don't listen to them. Them people that not reach nowhere and them why you don't reach nowhere too. So listen to me, young people. Do whatever you want to do and listen to yourself. Take constructive criticism. Keep emotions out of it. And make yourself a better person in life. Move. You don't know say one nation and Imara nation. We got the Raúl Blaze show. You understand my lady?
All right, guys. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. So I'm sure you guys enjoyed this episode. We're gonna have it on YouTube. So if you didn't get to watch this, you can watch on YouTube. You can see the clips. I'll have clips and Negus will have clips.
Yes.
So guys, thank you every single person who watches. No matter where in the world you are, whatever platform you're using. Big up for watching the Raúl Blaze show and catch you. Tomorrow we'll be having Dirty Berry and Julie Mango. All right. So thanks for watching the Raúl Blaze show. Negusimara, we have to people them.
We're out.
All right, cool. Yes, guys, you heard right. we're on for half an hour more. I see, guys, the reaction is out of the roof because we were just saying how 1 hour went by.
Yeah, like it went by like so fast. Feel like a 20 minutes my there.
Brother, because so next time you have to do 2 hours next time you're here, brother.
Hey, whatever's clever, bro. I'm down. Straight up.
Yes. So we're here with Negus, guys. If you're just joining us, we have half an hour more, and we're gonna just Negus. Where do you see? Where do you see the arts, music, and entertainment taking you in the future? Because guess what? You just said it. Whenever you grew up in a humble situation, there's no limit to the things. Because you know how hard life was. There's no limit to what you think you can achieve. So where do you see yourself in the next eventually? Where you want this to take you? Where should this take you?
Man, regarding comedy, I see myself having my own production company. And I'm going to develop films that I personally like karate film and them something there. But yeah, me love karate movie. Me love love story and them something there.
Okay.
And comedy, of course.
Okay.
So everything of me personally like, I'm gonna produce whatever I want. That's why I tell everybody ownership is key. You can do whatever you want. And now when it comes to music now, I see myself as the #1 dancehall artist soon. Let's give me about a year or two.
Okay.
We just have to try and find the magic for the people. Let me understand what I say. I'm not gonna say dumb it down, but I gotta find something that's catchy enough for the people to grab and don't let go. So yeah, definitely. I would love to have a career in music because I was doing music before comedy.
Okay.
Way before.
Okay. Well, we're gonna see here at Streaming Hub how we can help to make that happen, because we have the tools here to make that happen for you. So we're gonna see where we can go with that.
Appreciate it.
And what are some of the countries that you'd like to see your comedy or your music being consumed? What are some of the countries you like to go and say, boy, you hear your music are playing, you feel proud? What you think of worldwide? Everywhere.
Everywhere. But I forgot start make some reggae music and some conscious music and more play over Africa, you see me? We're gonna perform in Ethiopia and Gambia and them places. You understand what I say? So I forgot start make some culture music. But you know, the country them like UK and Canada, states where countries that I'm already established in, like have a fan base there, definitely there, because it will be easier for it to take off there, seeing that I have fans there already. So like the Canadas, the UK, the Trinidad, you know, the Jamaicas, and here too. If you're busting America, you know, So America, like them control music to brown bread. For real. So I'm gonna learn Spanish too, you know. Raúl Blaze know about 50 language. Raúl Blaze, I forgot to teach me Spanish so we can go over on the Spanish charts.
Of course, because I don't know. So right now, even when name have a song when him named Backshot, and him use the same dembow beat where Dominican Republic are used, you know.
Word.
Yeah, so it I like to see the Jamaican artists taking back, you know, what they've used and borrowed, you know, cause people can borrow it, but more for the same time we use the thing what we do first and then use it, you understand? So yes, of course, I have my people from Latin America, entonces si está escuchando el programa con señor Negus ahora, por favor, que llama esta momentita porque he hecho la música de él, he hecho la comedia de él también, porque somos unidos en esta lucha, ¿ok? En la música, en el comedia también, ¿ok? ¡En
la mucha!
Because everybody, man, you know, say, make sure someone listen to music and comedy, you know, because we have to go up together and listen. But yeah, man, and that market, the Hispanic market, is a huge market, you know, brother.
Damn right.
What do you think about high school? When we go high school, we never like Spanish. If you could go back to your high school self.
Oh my God. Especially all the world I run around now.
Yes.
And bro, you call in certain places, certain business places, bro. They give you the option of Spanish or English. Press 1 for Spanish.
Florida, yes, sir.
So if I had known how important this was, I would have given it my all.
Yes.
So it is something I'm gonna get Rosetta Stone, bro.
Yeah, for real.
Because again, the world is changing, bro.
Yeah.
The world, like the Spanish people them right now are full of America. Right now.
That is true.
So you got to get with the times, and also Cantonese and Mandarin.
Oh God.
Them two.
Yes. Big. Like I always said to myself that I wish I could exchange my Japanese. And well, no, I don't want to say that because my Japanese people in my face say, yo, no, I loved Japan is a part of me because that was my second home apart from Jamaica before here, right?
Yeah.
And would have never given me years in Japan for no reason. But in terms of the ability to speak Mandarin, that is just on another level. So yeah, Mandarin and Cantonese is very huge.
Yes.
Big up my Japanese people same way anywhere you are. So in that respect, what would you tell like your young followers, them who want to get into entertainment, but them want to follow the same path that everybody. What is the importance of being different? And because some people different and them feel shame because them feel because them style different.
Yeah.
Should you be ashamed of having a different style?
No. And you moving different from everybody else, you're gonna put a bad taste in people's mouth because that's not what they used to. But don't give a damn. You understand? Yeah. I did not follow the I did not follow the mode. I did not shout in my videos. I did not run up and down and cuss people and cause drama on the net.
Yeah.
You ain't gotta take that route.
No, yeah.
It's gonna be a slower growth because in Jamaica, mix-up will get you somewhere in life.
Yes.
And you know what I mean? If you want to go the mix approach, you can, but you don't have to. You have people. It's less. But people respect talent.
Yes.
If people see that you're talented and they respect that, they will definitely support. You understand? So you don't have to take the drama route.
Yeah, for real. I remember when I just started. We were at the same time in 2018 or 2018. And
that's around the same time you started too?
Yeah, when I saw you, that was when I just saw we started in the same time.
Same time, yeah.
So when I saw you, I'm like, we're on the same level for a while.
Yeah.
And then you shoot, and I'm like, and I feel so proud because you see, whenever you have somebody come from the same space and I see them, for me, people feel bad, but me feel pride. Me feel,
bro, that's the only way.
I love to see people win.
Can you earn a dirty?
Yes, me love to see people win. Me get excited when people win, you know. Cause me say, boy, look on this, because it kind of motivate me too. Because if you and I start at the same time, you can do it. Me can do it too.
Yes.
But what am I say? So when I started and some of this me reach about me look 5,000 and one meeting. Somebody said, boy, why not talk about Marvin and them something there and him girlfriend? And I said, I said that is not me. Me would know if it started because I wouldn't know what to say. It wouldn't be me.
You didn't even watch them.
Me don't watch them. I know of them because I see them jump off a tree. But I would know enough to say about it. It wouldn't be real.
Facts.
Sometimes I say, boy, me not change. I keep on doing my thing because originality, I think people underestimate or important originality. As you said, it might be less in the beginning, but it's worth it after all.
It is.
It's worth it after all.
It is.
What on that matter? What do you think separates you from other influencers and
talent.
Artists, talents, talent and artists. Yeah, because that's what you're an artist.
Talent.
Okay.
Talent.
Oh, you're answering the question.
Yeah.
Okay.
Talent.
Yes.
That's serious.
The man say, okay, for real.
A lot of them have big numbers and them lame.
For real.
I'm not afraid to say it. No phone have 100,000, 200,000 on a lame. All they do is screaming on the video them and chat people. On have no talent. On can't edit video. On a lame.
Yes.
Lame. Why I think all of the big people them in the comedic industry rate me? I have such a small following.
Yeah.
My following is not even a quarter of theirs. But they have to show me respect. I'm not being cocky.
Yeah.
I'm just saying what is real.
And on that note, I have to big up Dufton because Dufton always talk about
big up
Dufton and Arville.
And Arville, big
expressions. Them always talk about your things. So
yeah.
Big up them. Respect them two man in a different level.
Facts.
These are Arville in Jamaican dancehall and a legend there. And
the show that he got now, the bartender.
Yes. Oh God, yes. That wicked.
Yes.
So if you follow Jamaica, I'm sure I'm gonna ask you.
Oh my God.
Yes.
He not ask him. Me gonna ask him.
Yes. Him tell me already. Him tell me say, yo, when you reach Jamaica, I'm doing it, brother.
Yeah. No, it's my day night, man. Come see a Duffy night.
Yes.
I say, yo,
yeah,
man. You know. So,
nice.
but like them thing them like, so that is talent.
Yes.
I will not run up and down and chat people business. No. I talk about in dance at them. No, he is pushing out actual creative content
for real,
that you can sit down and be like, you know, so make I watch this all next year.
Yes.
When you go somewhere and talk about what did they call Marvin? You talk about Marvin right now. Next week that video they're dead, you know.
Yeah. Cause it's that best. Yeah, it's that best. It's a little hype for a short while.
Yes.
And if that you do that are your thing, you know. That are your audience.
Yeah.
But that is not my audience. We can't. The pie can share in different pieces. But me now go that part that may not be for me, but it may be for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. You usually play in sports.
Usually play football, but I never take it serious. Music was my thing.
Okay.
Yeah, music. Writing music. Okay. School and got studio. You understand? Yeah, music was my thing. So when the dog them I play ball and them something I studio me there.
Yeah. For real.
But
Real.
football, I don't know. You used to play a rain ball and then you used to play a ball every Sunday and a scheme and them something there. So football was the only really thing. We used to play cricket when I was younger, but I get older. Cricket not really too my thing, you know what I mean? Football.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Soccer for some people. It's soccer.
Soccer, yes.
Yeah.
Soccer, yeah. Somebody will say, what's football? Because the thing say, we're not gonna get the next debate, guys. If you are my American fans answer. But I know we'll come back over the break. I want to talk about this because in terms of collaboration, I've written a few. I've never put out there, but I have at least 2 series where I write and put them with for time and time. I have the platform for put it out there, somebody can reach out. So more on talk about things like those, and you know, because we have the Jamaica itself is a story. Yeah, so Jamaica itself, you have to write Jamaica is a story, and if you put Jamaica up on Netflix itself.
Yes.
So more
with all these people that's coming out.
Listen, some more. I don't even know if we're gonna have we're gonna see if we have a break because we're doing a little extra this weekend, guys. The first time we're having a little 2.5 hour show. Yeah. So we're gonna see if we come back across the break. If not, we're gonna just continue and go straight till you understand?
Yeah.
You understand? 44, 45, yeah. Yeah, when you turn and see I see what go on.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna talk about movies, Karachi movie, and all them thing, the Jet Li and thing. We'll come back from the break. Okay, we're not gonna have any break, so we're right back here now, niggas. Yes. Tell us what if you're Karachi music when you're a group. Usually after Karachi movie, you usually go outside and say,
Venomous man. just like Dragon Ball Z. When they see Fox and them man, they run up the mountain. Yeah. You are no match for me. Yeah. I'm gonna kill you like I kill your father. I used to talk like that. And then
Yo, and them move on the nast. I'm gonna kill you.
Yeah. Stupid fool. Your talent is not mad for mine. Yes, man. Yeah, man.
And like, yeah, so what are you saying? You say a son of a and then you always have this. Is how every Karachi movie go. You have one man him come in and kill off the entire family.
Yes.
The boy one baby in grew up later and go on kung fu school and learn. And then go find I came to avenge my family. That's every Karachi movie.
Everyone.
Go. You can imagine a Jamaican Karachi movie just like that.
Yeah, man. with the sweet Jamaican words.
Yes. The very sweet Jamaican words. That's what wicked said. Wow.
Trust me.
Wow, man. Isn't it
there's somebody that's coming up with a Jamaican samurai movie, cartoon, anime.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Social media, you know?
I'm waiting for that because that's gonna be lit.
Yes. I remember when during the Olympics, man, me did my bed sleeping, man. You think a little time people tag me, cause the girl who helped the hurdler, who they help him find him get him a taxi for God the race, man. What do you name when the 110 meter hurdle answer parchment. Mm-hmm. So apparently the girl who helped him should write some things in Japanese, and every time something Olympics come up, them tag me for translate me. so something like that. I've thought about writing a Jamaican anime with the literal Japanese and the pattern below it before, you know, but we don't know how the way that will go. So that might inspire me.
Why don't you, bro? You need to create more. I see you like you do one video when you eat, you talk Japanese, bro. You should create Japanese content, bro.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna think of it because, as I said before, sometimes you have to step out of your own because you set yourself in a Jamaican audience, but sometimes. I love my Jamaican people, but they aren't the number one in terms of supporting you. Sometimes you have to go out. And each time I say, it's a growing pains. If you want to step out in one next genre, you have to know it's going to grow slowly. But the thing is, you can always depend on your Jamaican following already. So I also think both if you move out, do some more Japanese content, some Spanish content, so you can take time to cover the world. Because you have to spread your guys. My Instagram my phone just dead. But if you're listening, make sure you just jump on Negus live right now or listen on YouTube. Yeah. On YouTube. Yeah. So man, I'm thinking about doing that,
this is how I look at it. Mm-hmm. Jamaicans are good for views and comments and likes. Yeah. You want people to actually support and spend money anywhere else.
Yeah, that is true.
And Jamaicans abroad, they spend money too. I understand enough Jamaicans don't have the means to you know, have online banking and them can spend certain thing and buy, you know, with customs them can't buy your merch and them thing that kind of cost too much and them. And that's what I said, so I understand that. But Jamaica does, for me, good for the views and the likes and the comments.
Yeah, they will get you trending, but they won't get the money.
You ain't gonna get no money, bro.
You were talking about your you want to get into the US market. Were you talking about your content in terms of comedy or also the comedy?
Comedy. Twanging and them stuff.
Yes. You don't do good because you can do different accents. Okay. Have you ever done any before?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
I did a video how rappers snitch on themselves. You see me?
Okay.
Yeah.
Them song them.
Yeah. That too, and like in interviews. Yeah. We did this and we did that. Yeah, the bodies over there and me and my dudes and you know what I'm saying? Like them and them love chat. Yeah. So that video they do good. Okay. Because a real thing, people that laugh and I say a real thing, man, them not run for snitch man themselves.
Especially the Florida rapper them and the Southern rapper them. Police actually arrest them because them tell upon themselves. You know, there was something in.
You know, see one of them pull shots, the man them link him location to the money where him having him on at the time. Like the man them look on the money, the serial number upon the money and say, okay, the money was in XYZ state at this time.
Wow.
And you were there. You can't tell us you were there.
I will see it.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the FBI and them, they say it. They say that these rappers make it easier to solve murders now.
Yes, they do. And even though the irony is that their rap songs is about snitching, but they are snitching on themselves. Like, man, you can't make this stuff up. You can't make this stuff up at all now.
That's why I mean I do nothing wrong. I mean do them wrong there. I mean I live that life there. I mean I play by on the phone, street code.
Yeah, for real. For real.
I'm an outstanding citizen.
For real.
Yeah.
Kind of for them, enough people in terms of music, Negus, rappers and some DJ, they believe they have to live the life of the songs they sing. And I find that very sad because if me come from a certain level, right, and me earn enough to come out, me not say anything, no?
No.
Me not say anything, brother.
Okay, smart. Okay, all right. You sing lovey-dovey song, but you don't take on that persona 24/7. Why you want to take on a bad man persona? Oh, to impress people, to make people feel like they're not for try and them thing there. Yo, you know one of the best joy? When somebody try you and you show them right then and there, say, yo, a wrong bang, they can lose their life like this.
Yeah.
I think that is more scary than saying, yo, this will come to you if you do something to me, you know.
I never expect it.
No.
You
understand? So them feel like a true man shot, them can run up.
For real. Yo, man. Guys, if you're there same way, no matter where you are, people in the world, if you're on Spotify, if you're on YouTube, if you're on anywhere else, the thing is on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram Live, we're here talking to Negus, Imara. We're talking about music, entertainment, everything. We went for hour. We got an hour and a half. So if you guys have any questions, I know you are listening. For some reason, people are still afraid to call, you know. Them like listen. Yeah. So people kind of shy, you know.
Listen, can you guys call so I can talk to you? I want to talk to my supporters. Raúl want to talk to his supporters. Call in.
And my thing, my phone dead, so I can't tell them if you want. See them here. So if you want pin it or something, or
look. Ladies and gentle G's, Streaming Hub Radio phone number is 1954-289-8589. All right. Another one is 1754-200-5085, extension 203. You understand? If you want to call on the WhatsApp, it's 1-954-621-3660, and email us at Streaming Hub Radio.
Yes. And you hear that? All right.
Yes.
Yeah. So and you know, you may tell the people on my Instagram for listen on YouTube, even though it did and they can't hear me.
I say good more time, man. Yeah.
I tell them, so yo, I say, wait, why I say that? If you can't hear me, I go hear. You understand?
Yeah,
man. But no call and talk, man. No, it's so not show the love sign and thing. We appreciate, you know, all the island people, you know. Respect island people, you know. No say. Big up to all the small island them. Sometimes no longer get the props you deserve.
Yes, true.
You understand?
True.
Enough time people think about Jamaica and Trinidad, but you know, we have to big them up, don't it?
Yes, definitely. I see a lot of Caribbean content creator doing them thing on TikTok.
Yes.
Yeah, I like that. I like seeing that.
Yes.
I like seeing that.
Yes.
The Caribbean community is massive on TikTok.
Yes.
And I like watching their content because it's like, you know about your island, but they actually see how other people operate. You know, some of them operate like us and some operate different.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes,
seeing all the different foods. Oh my
food
God.
them, brother. On this. The difference and the similarity. You know which which TikTok me get a forward pan? Haitian TikTok. Man, I'm famous on Haitian TikTok right now. Yeah.
I saw the one that you did in DR.
Yes.
The one you're doing at DR, and some people never like what I said, but I chose.
The DR people, so DR people, they don't like me, and they hate on them, but I don't really care, because DR people don't, listen to me, DR people, I love them gone to bed, but somehow you have to stand up to some of the stuff that you guys do to Haitians and darker skinned people.
Yes.
I know it's a policy that a lot of you do not want to admit that that colorism and racism exists, but you guys, you have to admit it, because we're all one. And if someone brings it out, don't hate the person. Say, boy, if everyone is saying something about this, it must be true. So big up to my dear people who are fighting for equality for all different shades. I love the island.
Yes,
it's a beautiful island. You ever been there before?
No.
Nice place.
No.
Nice. If you feel like Jamaica, but I just want them to treat darker skinned people better, you know?
Facts.
And everybody talk about it, but a lot of them will say it's a lie. So them come for me a lot of times. But guess what? Dice porque yo hablo español, no me importa lo que dice a ustedes, porque yo voy a hablar sobre esta situación, porque yo soy una persona que piensa que todos somos unidos, que todos iguales. Entonces, hay un problema porque yo voy a hablar sobre eso, ¿ok? No importa eso. Gracias. So,
whatever.
Me just say, no, so not gonna like me, but me gonna talk about it same way. So,
whatever Raúl just say, a real thing. A real talk.
I'm like going the same way. Yeah, man, dancehall is named after Jamaican dance halls in which popular Jamaican records were played by this is from somebody the other day. Okay. Yeah, man, but we want that one thing we have fight for a long time. We have equality, you know.
Yes,
we have fight for equality a long time. But Haitian food. You ever had Haitian food before?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will try it one day.
You should try. Because as Jamaicans, because we have this idea about certain places. But the first time I try like Haitian food, like griot. Me like griot. And Haitian rice and peas, brother. The rice and peas slap are different.
It named rice and peas.
The black rice.
Black rice.
Haitian black rice are one different level.
Yeah.
People, because Jamaicans don't like try other people's food.
Yeah.
But try the Haitian black. A matter of fact, me see if me can.
You see how we limit ourselves?
Will it was bad.
Do you see how Jamaicans limit themselves?
Yeah. We limit yourself.
Yeah. I got a brother. Him don't eat nothing.
Oh, for real?
Him don't want to try nothing.
I just Jamaican food?
He don't want to try nothing. Wow. Oh, no, something like how that look. Yeah. What about how it tastes?
Yeah.
You know? So we limit ourselves in all aspects of life, bro. Yes. So anytime you come to America, bro, and you see certain things in America, your horizon just widen. You don't think like the average Jamaican anymore.
For real.
You know, and a lot of people, so your argument change when it comes to certain things.
Yes.
And the people them who still reside there, but still have the same old mindset there, they might look on you now like you're crazy.
I know, until them come and them change. It's a cycle we keep going around.
Yes.
That's what I'm telling you, whenever you travel and you live like me, I see the world in such a different. It's because the one bag of language in my head too, and my experience around the world, I see things at least 5 different ways, and I know they become me a try because I'm experienced.
Yeah.
Whenever it's a struggle sometimes, but sometimes it's good. Most of the time it's a positive, because if I see one word, the 5 words I know running in my head. I just saw it here. So when there's a conversation, you're able to adjust it from different perspectives. Because we see things differently from other people. But boy, Jamaica, we're dark and we're ignorant. You know?
Sadly.
We're sadly dark and ignorant. Damn.
Sadly.
Yes. So what's we asked it already. So we guys just say we have half an hour more, so we have to talk about everything. So what is
half an hour? So that means that we can drop one little freestyle then?
No, we have 3 minutes left now.
Oh, 3 minutes left?
Yeah, out of the half an hour almost done.
Okay.
No, why you do a freestyle? Listen to me, we can go as long as we want. Do a freestyle.
Yeah, you ready?
Freestyle, yes.
Yeah, so I don't know that one name. Pause for all of the beautiful boobies. They understand that on every major streaming platform, on the Spotify. Just type in Negusimara on any streaming platform. I'm gonna be there. You understand what I say? So we go, sir. Me love it the way you make your body arch run me and over your body and touch everybody part the face you make when we love you make me a feel laugh. Me send it na your heart and it make you a pick off. You something tired so me send it na your jaw. You get it on a charm, me I get it on a ball. You make me to a curl nothing but you no regular the way you deal with it me I feel. Hey, me make a call to the girl say come over now. Soon as she come through the door, she bend over couch. Over the pretty pink sitting me tongue a bounce. Simultaneously na the sitting a thump it out. Me a thump it out, yeah me a beat it bad. Me a beat it like a Trinidad steely pan. She a got this out a road but she freaky bad. She look pan me thing and say she want eat dinner, eat dinner. Me love it, the way you make your body arch on me and over your body and touch everybody part. The face and make it real love you make me a feel off. Me send it to your heart and make you a fika.
Yo. It's always say multi-talented. When we say this is what we mean when we say multi-talented, multi-genre, multi everything. That's Negus right here. And I have a feeling that we haven't seen half of what you have to show to this world. But we are here for it. We can't wait to see, the you taking over the charts. And, you're the year, so you're there for your cause. Guess what? We love this talent, man.
Yes.
There's nothing more pleasant to see than people who are live them truth and them talent. You understand?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So guys, yes, we have our last minute here now on the Raúl Blaze show. We get an extra treat today because Negus, you want leave us out with something?
Yes, I would like for you guys to follow me on every major streaming platform. Follow my new Instagram, that's #1. It's Negus_Imara 2. NEGUS_IMARA, the number 2. Negusimara on YouTube, Negusimara on Facebook, and Negusimara on TikTok. You understand? Big up TikTok. We have over 300,000 followers on TikTok. You understand what I say? Instagram, go on with your business. I joke my mate, man. But yeah, man, I give thanks to everybody, Raúl. I give thanks for the Olive Branch, bro, for following up on the show. Really appreciate it. I love this setup and nothing but success and more for you, brother. I love this. I love this.
Yes, sir. All right, guys, big up your man. You don't know, so we love the positivity and the light, when Negus bring our studio today. So we're going to catch you guys tomorrow in our last episode when we have both Julie Mango and Dr. Berry on the Raúl Blaze show. Big up on us.
And the Raúl Blaze, I'm coming forward.
Yes, sir, of course.